How to add friends on Roblox. The very first thing you want to do is to open your application Roblox. Make sure you are logged into your account. It will land you on this page. Right here, tap on the option Add Friends. It will show you all the list of the people that have sent you the friend request on Roblox. You can see that I have just one request right now. In order to add him, just tap on this icon right here. You have successfully added this person as a friend on your Roblox. If you want to add a specific person, what you want to do is in the search bar, search for the username of the person that you want to add. It will show you tons of different profiles. From here, move into the profile of the person that you want to add. Let me tap on this profile. At the bottom, you'll find the option of Add Friend. Tap on it. Well, the friend request has been successfully sent to this person. Now you simply have to wait for this person to accept your request and you'll be good to go. This is it, and this was a tutorial on how to add friends on Roblox. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.